Hey guys, morning. We're now going to the coach station. It's gonna be my first solo trip to OSLO. Have a ride to the coach station. Now let's get on the coach and go to the end. My boarding pass. Right now I'm going to departure. Finish the passport check. Hi guys, I got the train ticket. Actually, I got it online because I feel it's more convenient and yep. The train station now. I gotta get a possibility. I can't find the city center to buy a OSLO pass. I can't find it in the station, so I tried to follow the instructions. Yeah, and we're now. The first viewpoint, the Golden Tiger. Thank you. Hey guys, I get the OSLO pass and people there are really nice. They help a lot. Anyway, we only have one thing to do for today because it's already 3 p.m. and I kind of want to go back home early because my hotel is a bit far away from City. Sorry, no money. Well, and yeah, we're now going to the train station and go to the restaurant. Sorry, I was being disturbed anyway. Right, and we're now walking to the restaurant. It's like a small town. Let's go. Okay guys, I now know the reason why people here are wearing raincoat. It's not drizzle at all, it's heavy rain. We're just like UK now. Anyway, let's go. Sunny day. I finished my dinner and I'm really full now. And as you can see, it's still quite early. So maybe let's go to one museum. It's like 20 to 30 minutes, but time to now. So let's go. In the museum, we got a ticket ready and we go to the welcome. Since we already have 1 hour, so let's go to see the masterpiece first. Yeah, I just went out. Maybe we'll come back later. Let's see if we get Let's go to the things finish the visit to the museum because food. It's now like 7 something. I'm not really hungry, but I decided to go to 7-Eleven because of in case I get starving tonight. Let's go. Thank you. Now it's literally 2.2 kilometers away from city center. I'm basically in the residence area. Anyway, people here are generally nice.